Morning farm! So fresh today.
Let's water the carrots.
I'll water the corn. Huh? Huh? No water? Mine is empty too.
That's weird.
Something's wrong.
Yep.
Check the tap. Only tiny drops. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Water can't reach here.
Let's follow the canal.
The canal? The canal is dry. Carrots look thirsty. I'll go first. Wait for me. Hey. Look there. A big rock in the water. I'll push it. Maybe use that stick. Good idea. 1, 2, 3. It's moving. Water is back.
It's flowing fast. Hey,
The garden looks lovely.
best day ever. Let us get the cart.
Hurry!
Wow!
Minion cart!
Minion cart.
It's so cute!
Minion cart. Let's go.
Be careful! Here we go! Hold steady! Big one! Nice and fresh! Catch me! Hey! Wait!
Full load.
Careful! Stack them!
Careful back there.
All safe! Let's clean them! So shiny! Spin! Spin! Carrot juice!
Ready to sell.
Fresh carrot juice! To the market!
A market.
Let's sell them! Set it here! Nice and neat! Set it here! Nice and neat! Yummy! Thank you! Enjoy! All sold out! Great job today!
Good morning, farm.
Good morning, farm! It's milking day!
Did you hear that?
The cows are ready! Minion buckets! Pikachu stools! Ready!
Hello, cows. Hello, cows.
Good morning!
Hello, friend.
Easy now. Like this? Slow and gentle.
Heavy, but okay.
Slowly. S-O-N. Let's go!
Off we go.
Safe trip! Yeah!
We're here.
Fresh milk!
From our farm.
Looks good! Passed! Pouring now!
Slowly.
So many milk boxes! They're all moving! Wow! Finished milk!
All packed.
Ready to ship.
Ready to... Right.
Up it goes.
Stack it tight. Delivery time.
All secure. Milk, please. Here you go.
Here you go.
Thank you. Milk, fresh today. Thank you. So, great day.
Great day.
I'm just a piece of junk. Where are you taking me? I just want to stay here. Hello, McQueen. I caught you again. That cat doesn't need you anymore, does it, McQueen? But me, I need you. Good, very good. You're still useful, McQueen. Minions, take McQueen to my fabrication lab now.
Every race is packed with fun. Through the hills and deserts.
Oh, yes.
With his friends, they make us
Oh my God.
We'll seize the day. Round the bends and to the top. Join the race, let's zoom, zoom, zoom. Every lap's an adventure true.
Hey, Gru.
Come alive.
What are you gonna do to me now?
Lightning shows us how to shine. With courage and heart, we cross the line.
Almost there. Push. My back. All right, then. Just one more step.
Join the race, let's zoom, zoom, zoom. Racing forward. With lightning, every turn's
We did it! This is perfect. My plan is finally coming together. Perfect!
Confidence burns like a roaring flame. Lightning McQueen is the name of the game. But the skies will guard us storm ahead.
Head to the town. We have some matters to settle there.
Nature's power crushed it all. Caught in the storm, spun out of control. Tossed to the sea where the tides take control. Down in the depths, they chase and attack until the beast inside me struck back. Oh, lightning, lightning. Into the shadow.
I'm here to save you all. Oh, God. Nani? Gru, he's back, and he brought Helicopter McQueen. Yay, yay, yay! Woohoo! Freedom! We did it! Yay! Oh, man! Woo! Freedom! Yay! We did it! Banana! All right, you sheep, nobody move. This is a robbery. Minions, take every bar of gold from the vault. Ah, my beautiful chaos. Dump the gold! It's too heavy! Crimes and greed will never end well. Oh, yeah.
All right, McQueen, do your best.
A hard day's work, huh, McQueen? We'll stay here tonight. I'll treat you to grilled fish.
Wow!
My stomach hurts. Must be the fish. I need to go. Who's making all that noise? You've disturbed my sleep.
Oh my god.
Dare disturb my sleep? NANI?!
I'm so tired. Time to get some sleep.
God! A monster in this peaceful countryside! I have to get out of here! Crab Robot McQueen is too dangerous! Monster! Monster Crab Robot McQueen has appeared! Everyone wake up! Oh my god!
911, what is the location of your emergency?
Hello? Police? Our village is being attacked by Crab Robot McQueen! Please come quickly! Oh no! Something's happened to McQueen!
Let's unite. Together we can fight back against Crab Robot McQueen. If we stand as one, we will win.
Robot McQueen, stop right there! Everyone, charge!
Please, everyone, don't be angry. McQueen isn't at fault. It was all the crab joker, and my fault, too. I didn't take care of him properly.
Take good care of your friend from now on, Peter the cat.
Yes! Bye-bye! Sir, we have a warrant for your arrest. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you. I demand a lawyer!
No, please.